So this is a Pfister, as you can see. You want to be able to get the right parts. Now we can see that this little plastic right here, you need to get the right part for it. So this is the one that goes in here. It's the spacer that actually catches the knob. You're gonna put that one in there. You're gonna secure it. Let's give it a little, you tighten it up a little bit. Making sure that it's nice and tight. You don't want to over tighten it because it's plastic. So there. Now the knob goes in here. Show you the knob. It has to be a correct size, and then just slide it in here. And then with the Allen key, with this one, you will tighten it from the bottom.